Okay, I got lazy editing this video. I started editing it and later I got so lazy. Uh, Finish it in a crappy way. But anyway, I'm just warning you guys, this is a crappy video and yeah, if you'll find it stupid and badly done, it's because I got so lazy. So, my fault. And yeah, I just didn't want to leave the editing there and do it later. So I just decided to upload. Because, the saying, better done than not done than perfect. Better done than perfect, I reckon. I don't know. Hey guys, oh, what was that? So hey guys, yeah, I'm out here. I'm gonna shoot a wedding today, but not a full wedding. I'll just be doing a drone shot for today's wedding. I'm shooting for a single soul, freelancing for Kai and Wheel, and yeah, I'm just here to Calder Freeway, and it was pretty cold earlier, and now it's pretty warm. It's like 20 degrees, and yeah, I'm feeling warm right now. It's a good thing that I'm not going to shoot full on today because the wedding's gonna be like starting from 2 p.m. around 2 p.m. till around 11 p.m. So that's gonna be a long wedding. Not really long. It's an 8-hour wedding still, but the thing is, traveling here it takes me around an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours if I'm having bad luck. But yeah, it'll be 2 hours because it takes me 1.5 hours to go to the ceremony, and they're gonna travel an hour to the reception. So yeah, good thing I'll be doing the drone just today, and then I'll be heading home right after that. So yeah, also trying to vlog on my Bisaya vlog. If you have time, just check it out. It's gonna be nonsense just like this, but I'm trying. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Check that place out. So this is where we're having the wedding. Pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna put the wedding's gonna be here. Check that out. So I'm currently here right now, and this is the entrance to the wedding. Let's see. This place is massive. Raised guest here. So this is where the guests are staying. And look at this place. Ceremony, and the guest is gonna come from here. So this is the way up there. So yeah, I'm just gonna get my gears, get my drones ready, and we'll see how this goes. Place is pretty nice. You can see those ones here. I just need to plan everything out. That's why I'm here early. Like I should be getting ready around 2:30. I'm here early. Just like Bisaya. Okay. So yeah, we're heading there. Nice place to go here. This is it. And that's it. Okay. So this is the aisle. Yep. So it's crunch time. First one flies. Second one flies. So I tried to fly earlier, and the thing is, the bride isn't here yet. So went down, just wait for the bride to come. We're going over time. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just here waiting for now, waiting for the bride to arrive. And then I'm gonna quickly fly. So it's gonna be panic a bit when the bride comes in, but we should be fine. We should be fine, man. not really impressed with my work today. That should be fine. Heading to the car right now. Gonna put my gears there and gonna put the rest of the gears there later. Just gonna fly around here for now. Oh, look at that. Hey guys, how you going? Ooh, what are these? There's another one there. Hey, how you going? So I'm done. Is it recording? Yeah. So I'm done with the gig and I'm heading home right now. Damn, that's the microphone. Microphone's here. So I'm done with the gig and I'm heading home now. And yeah, this is a nice place. Pretty nice place. Yeah. Oh, check that out. Pretty nice, eh? Pretty nice. I'm in my car right now, so I need to go home now because I'm done. Yep,